Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Ashwini Megur, also known as Avi, and I'm a PhD student in the field of biology. So in today's video, I'm going to be talking about the Derma 2% salicylic acid serum with witch hazel. So I'm going to be disclosing all the ingredients present in this particular formulation, and I'm going to be telling you if it is really good for skin of color. So the first ingredient here is water, and continuing to that is willow bark extract. So when you see the ingredient list, the first ingredient is the dominating one and the last ingredient is the recessive one. So basically most of the dominating ingredient is made from the first ingredient. So it is around 80 to 90%. So when I was seeing this formulation, I saw that the first ingredient was water and then following to that was willow bark extract. So willow bark extract is a natural alternative for salicylic acid. So what does it do? It actually soothes the skin because it's a plant extract, yeah? So it actually soothes the skin and also exfoliates the dead skin cells from the top layer of your skin. And after that, it also helps with the antioxidant property. So what does an antioxidant do? So when you live in a very polluted place, so what happens is that there are free radicals building up on your skin, which can make your skin look dull and aged skin. So that's the reason why these antioxidants play a very major role by removing those free radicals from your skin, making it look much more youthful. So that's why antioxidants are added into the skincare formulation, which really helps to regenerate your skin from within. Then there is salicylic acid, which is also known as beta hydroxy acid. So it is used for the minimizing the enlarged pores and also for getting rid of the dead skin layer. Because it's an acid, it actually helps to remove the dead skin by exfoliating it. And also, like most of the acids, like beta hydroxy acid is much more safer for skin of color as compared to the alpha hydroxy acid, because alpha hydroxy acid are very powerful and very potent, and sometimes the molecular weight, the size of these acids can also vary. So there are like few alpha hydroxy acid which are very small inside and can reach to the deep layer of your skin and also lead to sensitivity. But whereas salicylic acid in a very lesser percentage, that is 2%, does wonders on the skin. It is helpful for the reduction of the acne because it helps with the sebum control. It gets rid of the excess sebum production on your skin. So it has a really beneficial role when it comes to your skin improvement. Then after that, I saw there is glycerin. So glycerin is a humectant, and humectant helps to hold the water molecule into your skin, helping it to hydrate. So it helps with the hydration basically. Then following to that, I saw there is witch hazel. Well, in the skincare formulation world, we as the skincare formulators, we as the doctors don't really like witch hazel because witch hazel can damage your skin cells even in the lesser percentage. So when you add witch hazel on your skin, what it does that it gives that nice finish by removing the oily excess on deposit on the skin. Then it removes that. But in return, it is actually damaging the skin cells. Imagine that the salicylic acid is removing all the dead skin cells, and then the witch hazel is damaging the new cells that is coming on the top layer. So it is just not a good sign. Witch hazel is not really in a good rating for the skincare formulation. It is rated as the worst ingredient. Don't forget, witch hazel is also known as an irritant. It can turn your skin red. Either you're Caucasian skin or you are skin of color, you should avoid witch hazel on your face. Then there is citric acid, also known as the pH adjuster. Following to that, there are different ingredients like phenoxyethanol. So these all are for the binding properties of different ingredient and also acts as the stabilizers. So they are not that important. But at the end, I saw that the third last ingredient is fragrance, which is quite high in percentage. I don't really like formulations with fragrance, and I am against the formulation with fragrance because for the sensitive skin, it might cause the contact dermatitis, of using fragrance for quite some time. So I try to avoid fragrance. When you have a formulation with acid, and then there is a witch hazel on top of it, and then there is a fragrance which is like a formulation for disaster for your skin. Well, the formulation here, I did not like it particularly. If this company removes the witch hazel as well as the fragrance, then probably this formulation is really good for all the skin type to use. So my personal take about this skincare formulation is that just don't use it, whether it be skin of color or the Caucasian skin. It's just not really good formulation for any of you. Fragrance is a problem in the skincare industry. Even big industries make a huge mistake by adding fragrance into the skincare formulation, and that's why there is a lot of allergic or irritation in this sensitive skin people while using those products. So that's why you need to be very careful by choosing anything. If you are a skin of color and you use just a random product that you saw on the cosmetic shelf and you bought it and you just start using it, you will see that your skin starts to get hyperpigmented because some of the ingredients are not suitable for skin of color and some of the ingredients are not suitable for the Caucasian skin. What the Caucasian skin can tolerate, maybe skin of color will never be able to tolerate. So that's why different percentages and different types of acids are available, and you need to choose wisely. So that is it for this video. Thank you very much for watching. If you have any questions, you can write down in the comment section below, and make sure that you click on that like button as well as subscribe to my channel because it helps my channel to grow. And make sure that you share this with your friends so that they can also understand the skincare formulation and how it actually works. And also make sure that you write down in the comment section below if you want me to review some other product. So that is it. I will see you soon. Take care. Bye.